package?
It's
yeah, the plushie. Oh my god.
Hey. Oh, that's the garage.
Oopsie, I forgot.
It's close to the garage.
Okay.
Here it is.
Oh my god, it's so cute. Can I?
We can unpackage it when we get inside.
That is so cute.
Oh, there's some wrapping on it. Hold on, let's get that off.
Okay, I'll go grab them. Okay.
Snip, 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 snip. Oh, here we go. Saving.
So cute.
You can give. You want it to be girl or what?
Girl.
What do you want to name her?
Fishingtin.
Ooh, okay.
I want to go do the laundry, Mom.
Oh, I was just about to do it. No, you don't.
I want to do it.
No, it's okay. You can do that. Okay, we'll do it together. You can do that, and I'll do that. Oh, sorry about that.
Okay, let me put it in. Wait a second.
There.
There we go, Mom. Then I'll go grab yours from your bedroom after these are done.
Yeah. Okay. Now, I just got this to wash or dry.
I'll put them up here too. Dry. Up there. I love doing the dishes. So
Let me get my clothes first.
Okay.
Oh, snap.
I hear the water running a lot. Okay, finished.
Gotta put them in here.
Oh, right. Coming, Mom.
I took it. Oh, your plushie is so adorable.
I know.
But don't put him on the floor. I think he needs a wash.
Yeah.
It's okay. I'll wash him. Honey, no. You get some rest and watch TV. I'll wash him. It's okay. It's okay.
I want to bring her in the bedroom.
I know, but she has to get washed because Corona's around now.
Okay. Bye, Fishingtin. You're going to wash her soon.
Okay. Just
Does it say wash free on her tag?
I'll look. Can you look?
Yeah. Yeah, it says it's washable.
Okay.
Yay. Okay, I'm gonna go lay down and watch some TV.
Okay, let me just store these clothes for she can use it, right?
Actually, I'm kind of tired.
Okay, you can sleep in my bed tonight, okay, honey?
Okay, yay!
Okay, so this is good. Okay, let's wash you, Fishingtin. Get in the washer.
Okay, let's turn it. Wait, I'm gonna go see Fishingtin get washed. Hi, Fishingtin! Wait, where's she?
She's getting washed.
I see her in there, kinda. Not really.
Okay, now she's dry.
Mom, why is the washer's water noise so loud?
Because it's water. Fishingtin won't get in there.
Fishingtin, get in there! Then I can play with you.
There. Fishingtin's washing. Okay, Fishingtin's done.
Fishingtin is so clean. Here, let me.
Okay. I made breakfast.
Oh, Fishingtin, come on, let's go. Let's go eat breakfast.
Oh, wait. Yeah. Right.
She'll love it.
Close your eyes before you come down here. Go!
I love it. It looks so yummy. You never make anything like. You never.
Gelatin cake, pancakes, cookies, and muffins.
Okay.
What do you want? I'll get for you.
Cookies.
Okay. Let's see.
I saw this YouTube video, like in other YouTube channels, like Cookies Such as Gaming, and like I really like cookies now. Yeah, I love cookies.
That's good.
And I saw this video. I saw this video that Cookies Such as Gaming made on slime. So like, can we go get glue at the store?
Yes, we may.
Don't you have contact solution?
Yeah, actually we do.
Because Grandpa used to come here and he has glasses.
You need contacts?
Yeah. Oh, Fishington, your face is so cute.
Eating a muffin, Fishington?
There you go, Fishington. Ate the muffin. Yum, yummy, yummy. Okay, go sit back down.
I just love pancakes. Hey now, who wants gelatin cake?
Me!
Yeah!
Okay, I didn't get a pizza. Yummy!
I said, eat Fishington. There we go.
Pancakes, yum.
Would you like to go to school?
Mommy, yeah, today's school. I gotta go get ready, even though I kind of only have like these
Yeah, you gotta
clothes.
bring Fishington.
Okay. Well, Mom, do we have a shower?
Yes, we do. So, hold on, let's see. I'm gonna put these on here.
Or you could wash me in the sink.
No, of course not.
Okay. Cause like I forgot we had a shower.
Okay, I'm gonna go buy a shower. I forgot we don't have one.
Well,
On the floor, so I'm gonna go buy one. Okay?
Okay, I'm gonna go get ready.
Okay.
My head's stuck in the stairs. Okay, I only have this pair of clothes because like we're really poor, so I'm just gonna wear this and take a shower after.
Okay, sweetheart.
Fishington, you're gonna get dirty if you stand on the ground. While Mom buys a shower, let's take a walk. Fishington is amazing. Fishington.
Don't go too far, honey.
I'm just going around this part.
Okay.
Not a lot of people live here. Maybe Fishington can live next to us. I'm kidding. He already lives in our house.
Yes, Fishington does.
She's amazing.
Aww.
Okay, girl, let's go. Come on, Fishington, we love her. Fishington, Fishington. Okay, Mom, you done yet?
Oh no, sweetheart, I'm so sorry.
I'm sweating.
I'm so sorry,
Hey,
sweetheart.
Fishington, I have to put it down. Who is this neighbor? Who are they? Their house is pretty weird. Whatever. Okay, let's go.
Okay, I'm almost done. I'm just gonna buy a sink real quick.
But we already have a sink in the kitchen we can wash our hands in and brush our teeth.
Well, it's great to just have another sink, right?
Yeah. Okay. I'm just gonna take a little bit more of a walk. Oh, it's almost time for school.
I'm almost done, sweetheart.
It's almost time. At 7:30 we have school and it's almost time. It's almost 7.
I know, sweetheart. We're almost done.
We gotta go fast. Oh my God, it's 7 already.
Almost.
Now it's 7 a.m. And I have to get there at 7:30. It's almost time.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
I don't think I'm gonna be there in time.
You are, it's okay, sweetheart.
It's almost
Okay.
time. Mom, I gotta
It's okay.
get the shower. I can't. I'll take a shower when I get home. I can't right now. Oh my God, we gotta get there quickly, Mom.
We gotta use our car. It's okay. On our first day of school, we can be a bit late, okay?
Okay, Mom. Let me get in.
Oh, where's the key?
Here, let me sit down. Oh, I can't bring Fishington.
Yes, you can. It's okay. Carry him.
Okay. Carry him. Okay, Fishington, we're gonna go to school.
I can't get in. Let's see the key. Oh, yes, oh, here's the key. Okay. Oh, wait. Oh, wait.
on, Mom.
Okay, we're gonna go the shortcut way.
Mom, this is not a Jeep. You cannot go an off-roader. It might ruin your tires or something. Whatever.
No, we won't. It's okay.
Okay, Mom.
We're gonna go to school. It's okay.
Yeah, school's right there. Now, we're a little bit late, but it's okay. It doesn't really matter. My math class is going to start in a second. Come on, Fishington, let's go. Bye, Mom. Love you.
Have a nice day, sweetheart.
Okay, thank you.
Love you too.
Okay, let's go up here.
Now let's get her some glue at the store and have some surprise.
Okay, let's see. Okay.
Ooh.
Math class. I'm going to be right back, Fishington.
That's what I suppose now. I'm sorry about it.
Doo-doo-doo. Somebody's trying to take Fishington. No!
Give me that fish.
No! No! Somebody's trying to take Fishington.
Give me that fish. He's so ugly.
Fishington's all dirty now. I gotta
Okay, let's see what
I can't. I gotta go home. I don't like this. Fishington, I'm so sorry. They beat you up. But now you're all dirty. I gotta go to the store and go see Mom. I gotta go quickly.
There. I got her some stuff. Hopefully she'll be happy. Let's go.
Mom!
That sounded like Fishington. Sweetheart.
Mom! At school, the bullies got Fishington all dirty.
What? Where? Half in the car. Right now.
I'm so sad. And they said he's stupid too. She's stupid.
Okay.
You left Fishington! You left her!
I'm so sorry. I thought you had him.
No, she's so... Before somebody steals her. We grab her. Okay. I can't grab her. Wait, let me try and grab her.
It's okay, honey. It's okay.
Come on, Fishington, let's go home. I can't believe you left her behind.
Okay, I'm gonna get the bully.
Mom, I can't believe you left her behind. Let's go, come on, let's go. Let's get out of the car, Fishington.
No,
You're...
you stay in the car.
No, Mom, I'm not waiting.
Honey, stay in the car. I got you a surprise, so don't ruin it.
Okay.
Why did you do that to my child?
Because it's ugly and I want to ruin it.
No one like us. Who wants that dirty little fish flesh?
Yeah, my friend Steve over here says the same thing. Yeah, we hate you. You're ugly and you just look like your ugly daughter.
Don't give my daughter.
I'll beat your butt up. I'll beat you.
I'm taking you. Wait.
Oh no! Fishington, Mom, Fishington is farted all over and now there's fart just on the floor.
Mom.
The police are right here. What do you have to say to them?
Well,
Well, the thing I have to say is, it's not really rude. Well, like, it's kind of rude because, well, it's not really, like, it's not abuse, but they still took your child's toy, so we'll have to put him in prison for about 3 days.
No. Put him in prison for all his life.
Fine.
Mom, what happened?
Honey, come on.
Okay.
Show me your honey.
You gotta clean Fishington, though.